Duties and responsibilities of structural engineers. Structural engineers plays a vital role in the planning, design, supervision, and implementation of a construction project for the structures to be materialized. They can be considered as the backbone of the construction team since they are in charge of keeping the project safe and sound from design to completion. They are responsible for the overall design in terms of feasibility, economic strength, and integrity of the structures. Overall, the duties of structural engineers begin with planning through proper coordination with the architects and MEP engineers. Upon proper coordination, the design and analysis of the project take place and an authority approval of the project to the project implementation and completion are also a part of their responsibilities. Structural engineers are categorized according to their work descriptions. These are structural design engineers and civil structural engineers. If you are a structural design engineer, you are in charge of the design aspects of the project from concept and design development, and the following are your duties and responsibilities. Technical delivery of structural engineering design on various types of the projects that you are assigned of. This can include commercial buildings, offices, mixed-use development projects, warehouses, and villas, to name a few. Even though structural designers has its own specialties, generally you should have no limits at least and know how to handle any kind of design, whether concrete, steel or precast elements. Produced a structural system and developed finite element analysis models. Design and interpret design results with the aid of structural design programs for the assigned project in view of safety and stability of the structure, in accordance with the governing codes. Optimize designs to meet the needs of the project and clearly defend and explain approaches to a design team, and you should at least know how to perform analyses using hand calculations when necessary. A structural design engineer is also responsible for the preparation of a structural design report. Furnished a full structural plan and detailed drawings according to the design results, coordinated with the architectural and MEP department for authority submission and approval. This can be done with the help of structural draftsmen, so you should know also how to manage their team. Discuss the assigned project submitted, with the authority having the jurisdiction, and address the comments until successfully get the project approval and building permit. Throughout the course of the above duties, you are also in charge of liaison with the clients, contractors, subcontractors, governmental authorities, and other related authorities, and project follow-up and approval. So expect a lot of coordination meeting during this journey. Although we have structural engineers available at the site, sometimes we need to visit sites to address design-related issues. Inspection of works carried out on site and monitors quality to ensure that the contractor met the standard of construction with compliance to approved drawings. If you are civil structural engineer, then your job is to manage and supervise site works to ensure that everything is in compliance with the approved drawings, in line with construction standards and safety. The duties and responsibilities of yours are: manage the structural supervision and implementation of the site from the start of mobilization to project turnover. Review and approval of the subcontractor or contractor's materials, documents and shop drawings submittals. This can include method statements, calculations, pre-qualification documents, etc. A review of the proposed structural engineering changes received from the contractors and advises the resident engineer of any potential issues. Addressing RFI or request for information related to structural engineering raised by the contractor about the project. Responsible for the submission of progress reports or periodical inspection reports for the projects involved. You may also require conducting or support periodic inspections if the structural inspector is not around to determine if structural works have been done in accordance with contract specifications. You may be required to witness tests, such as soil compaction, moisture content, aggregation, concrete slumps, air entrainment, concrete compression, lines, and grade survey, bolt torques, and concrete coring, and can call for additional testing if necessary. You are responsible for making instruction, The project follow-up on the contractor's tasks and performs other structural site engineering roles may be deemed necessary. Attaining the mentioned roles in the construction industry is no joke. To shoulder the duties and responsibilities mentioned, you should possess the following requirements. A good academic background with a civil engineering bachelor's degree or master's degree, chartered status in civil or structural engineering for experienced engineers. Working knowledge of relevant structural design software, for example, SAFE, ETABS, StartPro, SAP 2000, and Procon. Practical experience of design and detailing to related codes like ACI, British, European codes, local codes, etc. Ability to manage and supervise works carried out on site for project monitoring and addressing design-related issues as required. Good written and verbal communication skills in English, as a lot of report writing will be expected. You should aware with a flexible attitude to both the type of work undertaken and the level of responsibility given. Can manage your own time effectively, which may be necessary if allocated to more than one project. Demonstrate an ability to understand complex problems and to conceive innovative solutions. Qualities of a structural engineer. In order to succeed in the chosen career as a structural engineer, you should at least have the following qualities and characteristics. Highly motivated, excellent team player, adaptable and superb in technical judgment. Decisive, clear and consistent in approach to structural engineering. If you are an experienced one, you should offer support and guidance to more junior members of the team. For the newbies, you should willing to participate in all aspects of structural engineering workload delivery. Understand the importance of technical accuracy with a high attention to detail, and most of all, passionate about structural engineering and drive to exceed the requirements of internal and external stakeholders. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Structural World channel for more.